Hi, today we are going to learn about polynomials. Polynomials are mathematical expressions. Poly means many and nomial means terms. So the term polynomial means many terms. Let us take an example. 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. It's a polynomial. It has three terms. First term 3x squared, second term 5x and third term minus 2. An algebraic expression which has only one term is called a monomial. So, if this polynomial takes only one term, this 3x squared, then it will be a monomial. And if a polynomial having two terms, then it is called a binomial. So, this polynomial contains only two terms, that is 3x squared plus 5x. Then it will be a binomial. And a polynomial having three terms is called a trinomial. So, 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. This is a trinomial. Now, let us see some terms related to polynomials. Take the same example, 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. Here, you can see x in these terms. In the first term, x squared, and second term, x. And third term, actually here, x raised to 0 is here. But we are not writing it because the value of x raised to 0 is 1. So, here, x. We don't know the value of x. So, it is called a variable. Variable. Here, the variable is x. Why it is called a variable? Because it can take any values. We don't know the value of x. And you can use any alphabets as variable. Now, we can see some numbers written before the variables. They are called coefficients. Here 3, 5 and minus 2 are the coefficients. 3 is the coefficient of x squared, 5 is the coefficient of x and minus 2 coefficient of x raised to 0. Again we can see some other numbers are written on top of the variables. This here first 2, here 1 and 0. Okay. X raised to 0 is 1. So, we prefer not to write it. Okay. Then, these numbers on the top of variables are called the powers or exponents. Now, we can learn about the degree of the polynomial. In this polynomial, the highest power is 2. The highest power is called the degree of the polynomial. Consider another polynomial, 5x cube plus 2x square plus minus 3x plus 1. Here the highest power is 3. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial is 3. On the basis of degree, we can classify polynomials into different types. A polynomial having degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Linear. Degree 1. Example 3x plus 1. Here the degree is 1. So it's called a linear polynomial. And a polynomial having degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic. Degree 2. For example, 5x squared minus 2x plus 1. So, here degree 2. Therefore, it's a quadratic polynomial. And a polynomial having degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Example, 4x cube plus 3x minus 2. It's a cubic polynomial. Its degree is 3. Now we can see what does not make a polynomial. Expressions with the negative powers, rational powers, and division with the variables does not make a polynomial. So, expressions which are not polynomials are, for example, 7x raised to minus 3 plus 4x. X upon x plus 1 plus 2. 5x square plus 2 root x plus 1. These type of expressions are not polynomials. So, in this section we have discussed the definition of polynomials, different terms of polynomials, degree of polynomials, and what does not make a polynomial. Hope all of you like my class. If you like my class, please subscribe, comment, and share it to your friends. Thank you.